Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Live, Laugh, Love. Today I will show you simple makeup can be done with easily and quickly available things at your home. We will be creating the look that is shown. The very first step is toning the skin as it suits the skin. I prefer cucumber and toning is a very important thing before makeup. After toning comes the serum or the moisturizer. You can apply any moisturizer that is present at your home. Moisturizer basically moistens your skin, but I prefer serum. It gives me a golden glowy look. Preparing the skin before makeup is very important because without prepping it, the base makeup won't be sitting. So primer is one more basic step before the makeup is done. So you can blend the primer with your fingers, the tip of the fingers, or you can blend it with a blender or a sponge if you have it. I prefer the primer that sits easily, and let the primer sit on your skin before you put the makeup. You can see in the video that I am doing it with a sponge. After that, you have to put the foundation. You can put any kind of foundation. Foundation is one more important thing in the makeup. The color should not be too dark or too light. Beige is the color that goes with my complexion. You can blend it again with your fingertips, but I will prefer to blend it with a blender or a sponge, and definitely do apply it on your neck as well, because the neck color should match with the skin, otherwise it will be looking uneven. After you are done with your foundation, you have to put a concealer to conceal the dark spot, or if you have any spot, basically the under eyes or the eyelid beside the nose area, wherever you feel like you need to conceal. Never rub a concealer. This is one more important tip. Always dab it with a blender or a sponge. After the foundation completely blends, you need to apply the translucent powder or any compact powder if you have. If not, that you can apply any powder that you have, so that the concealer sits and blends with the foundation. Remember, concealer has to be lighter than the foundation. Always blend your concealer and foundation with a sponge or a blender. Do not use your hand or rub it with something else. The next step is the contouring. Contouring is one more important thing. Someone may not like contouring, but I prefer contouring because I love to reshape my face, and I have double chin that is easily visible, which I love to cover it up with the contourer. And one more thing, the contourer has to be a shade darker than your foundation, but the concealer has to be lighter. This is the basic thing that is required for makeup. The main thing is that you have to again contour the skin with a sponge or a brush, that if you have. I don't have a brush at home. I always love to do it with a blender again because I'm comfortable with it. Next comes the eyeshadow. Over in this video, I am using a very light and a simple color because I am creating a very simple look. Eyeshadow is the main in the makeup because this is a very simple look and you cannot put a dark color. I will prefer the nude eyeshadow in this makeup because, again, I am repeating, it's a simple look. So never try to apply a very punky color in this simple look. Always apply a nude or a light golden color or a light brown color. I am applying a little darker shade in the crease area so that it looks a bit catchy. After your eyeshadows are done, eyebrow shaping is one more important step that should be followed. I don't love to shape it a lot because I have natural dark color, so I just shape it with a brush. Next comes the kajal. Kajal is a very simple way that you apply always. Most of the girls apply kajal every day in the life. So kajal you'll apply normally in this makeup, and then you can smudge it with your fingers or a brush. I did it with both. Then you can apply little mascara over your lashes. I apply mascara always before putting a false lash. Again, I will repeat, lashes are completely optional. I love to put false lashes because the eyes, after putting the false lashes, looks very prominent. So I love it. If you are not confident with putting a false eyelash, you should not do it. Just go with normal putting mascara on your eyelashes, and definitely you'll be looking beautiful with it. I am not a pro with makeup, but I can manage to wear the eyelashes easily. Now both my eyes are done, lashes are done completely. Let the lash dry a bit. After that you can put your eyeliner. I prefer eyeliner after putting my lashes. Some like it before putting the lashes, but I always prefer after putting my lashes on. You can slowly put the eyeliner like I'm doing it. Do not hurry. If you are using false eyelashes, no need to hurry. The very last step in this makeup is the lipstick. In this video I am using a very punky color because the eyes are very simple, so I'm using a magenta color. I will prefer and advise you all not to put a very light color, as the eyes are very simple. The lips should be a bit catchy. So here I am ready with the makeup. This is a very simple look. You can tie your hair or you can open it and wear a little long earring that I am wearing. Here I am ready with the look. Please comment and like it, and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.